Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back for another video on my channel. In today's video, we're doing a Triochrome tutorial with the Natasha Denona Triochrome palette. I am doing the look that I wore in the live video that I did with Mo Makeup, Mo Beauty. If you have not seen that live, definitely click the video above or look in the description box. It will be linked down there. In that live, we did a ranking of our Natasha Denona palettes, and this is a look that I did in that video, or that I wore in that live chat. So I'm recreating it here now for you per your guys' request, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, then definitely stay tuned. Oh, but before I get into the look, just wanted to let you know that I'm going to show you guys how I achieved the base. But I'm going to speed through that. Not going to be any talking, just some music, and then you will see the eye look. So definitely skip ahead to the eye look if you are interested, but I wanted to share with you guys how I achieved this base. All right. I will talk to you guys really soon. If you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. All right. I appreciate you guys. Enjoy the tutorial. Face is done. Let's get into the eyes, which is the main portion of this tutorial. So let's do it. Let's zoom in. For my look that I did for our live on Mo's channel, definitely check it out in the link above. I use the Triochrome palette. If you guys looked, if you saw the live, you saw that I use a Triochrome palette, and I did a basic explanation on the live of how I achieved the look, but there were still some requests for a tutorial. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go into Diatonic, shade there, nice peachy toned shade. And I'm gonna put this right above the inner half of my lid in the transition area. And if you see me do like my shadow tutorials and stuff, eyeshadow tutorials, any of my lives when I'm doing eyeshadow, you guys know I do tend to like to put a lighter tone shadow right there in that area. And you guys see how that peach is just coming through really nicely, and it's blending on top of my concealer, you know, my primer, very beautifully. It just looks so smooth. I really enjoy this shade. I really do. All right, and then just flick that out into the rest of the transition area to get a nice smooth blend. Next, I'm going in with Manganese, dark purple, and putting this right on the outer corner and into the crease with a pointed brush. This brush is the number 4 from Wayne Goss. So laying that down where I want it the deepest, which is right in the outer corner, and in the crease. And then blending that over. You guys see the intensity there with that shade. And then fluffing it into the transition area. Doing a little bit of a flick onto the lid. Next is glitter glue. all over the lid and a little bit above the lid. First, I'm gonna go in with Kinetic, the middle multi-chrome, duochrome. It's really a duochrome shade. My finger, and just put this right on the center of the lid, leaving the inner third blank, and making sure I pat a little bit over, you know, where we put manganese, just to make sure that's blended there. And that's that. Now I'm gonna go with my number 4 again, and with more manganese, and just make sure that that's blending right, you know, nicely into Kinetic. So pretty, you guys. This is just such a pretty palette. Next, I'm gonna take a fine tipped brush, a flat tip brush. It's got a nice, you know, precise edge to it. This is the MAC 242, but if you have something similar, definitely take that. And I'm going into Scarab. The beautiful duochrome green shade. I'm gonna spray it. Spray it on my brush. Make sure it gets nice and saturated. And then I'm just going to carve out where I want that duochrome effect. Not duochrome effect, the cut crease effect. So cutting out my cut crease and then taking some more of that shade and patting it right on the lid. So we've got a double whammy as far as the intensity of this shade with the glitter glue and the spray. And there it is. And just taking that a little bit farther and fading it into Kinetic. I'm bringing it right here. I'm gonna put something on the inner corner there, but bringing that shade right to the edge. That is the main portion of the look. Now for the brow bone, I couldn't leave my brow bone hanging, and I could not use this bad baby right here. If you want to see my ranking of the Natasha Denona palettes, the full-size palettes and Metropolis, then definitely check out the live video that I did over on Mo's channel with Mo, of course. I'm gonna go in with this shade here from Lila. That shade is called Magnolia. Nice rose gold. I would consider this to be a rose gold type shade. This is she called it a chroma crystal. Natasha Denona considers this a chroma crystal shade. It's got a nice shine to it. And just popping that on the brow bone. I'm gonna spray this because I don't want any fallout. I do have that powder there, but it's more so for, you know, to make sure my pore area is looking as smooth as possible. I love that fancy powder for that. So I'm gonna take this, I just spray it, pop that on the inner corner, and sweep it on the lower lash line just a bit in the front portion of the lash line. Now for eyeliner, I am going with the Wayne Goss Essential Eye Kohl in the shade Deep Amethyst. I'm gonna put this on the waterline and then add a little bit just right on the lash line, but not in the waterline. Take a pointed brush, go into, from the Lila palette, this is called Amara, the shade right there. And then I'm gonna smoke this right there. I really enjoy how that Wayne Goss liner smudged out real nicely. Okay, I'm gonna take that same Wayne Goss liner and do a little bit on the lash line at the top. All right, now I'm going to do my other eye, do some lashes, and then I'll be back for the lips, and then that's the eye look, y'all. That's the look. I gotta get going before the sun's been going in and out. So I'll be back. All right, you guys, so let's hurry up and do these lips so that I can finish this video because my light is leaving. I can't believe it. So for the lips, for the live, I just used my new YSL lipstick in the shade Prime Beige. And this is a wonderful shade, a wonderful nude shade for me. And it's so comfortable to wear. I really enjoy it. And these new lashes that I have on, it took me a while to get them on because I'm not used to something in this size. but these are from Amazon, and I did not think that they would work for me. I thought they would be too heavy and too big, but girl, I've never worn lashes this big and they look bomb, okay? They look so good. Oh, okay. All right, and then I'm gonna put some lip liner, and I'm just gonna use NYX Club Hopper. All right, you guys, and this is it. This is the final look. I'm so happy the way everything turned out. It's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Let me zoom in for the eyes for you guys. What do you guys think? Now, don't pay attention to the gluing job of these lashes. I didn't do the greatest job. I was trying to hurry up to get this, you know, to stay with the sunlight, you know what I'm saying? But I think we're looking pretty cute, okay? So you use whatever lash works for you and stuff, but y'all get the gist, you know? You get the gist. All right, you guys, so that's the final look. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Once again, if you have not seen the live that I did with Mo, Makeup, Mo Beauty, definitely check out the link above, and I'll link it down below as well to see our rankings of the Natasha Denona palettes. But this is the look I wore in that live, and if it was helpful for you, if this whole tutorial, this video was helpful for you, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed my content, if you want to see more, definitely hit that subscribe button and join the family. I would greatly appreciate it. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys really soon, another live chat or another tutorial. All right, I will talk to you guys really soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. See ya.